Hi, I'm Tracy. I'm making organic burgers for the grill. So it's simple for weekends, and it's good for you. Buy really good local ground beef. And then all I do is add pure apple butter. From any store, just look for really good ingredients. Pure McIntosh apples. Do a good, 3 heaping teaspoons. Sorry about licking my finger. And then I buy Vidalia onion, sweet hickory local also, barbecue sauce. Gives a little bit of a zing to it. Just go ahead and dump a little bit of that in. Go ahead and do your pepper, as much as you like. We like a lot of pepper, so I kind of put it all in there. And then I use a garlic and herb organic spice. If you want to add chopped onions to this, you can, because those are good. You can even throw a handful of grated cheese in as well. Chili powder. That also gives it a little bit of a zing. And you're pretty much done. So mix all this together, and that apple butter and the pure beef on the grill makes these burgers taste absolutely savory. And that's pretty much it. Make your burgers the size you like, get your grill hot, and put them on to cook. And that's it. I'm Tracy.